Hey guys, I crocheted mini Christmas stockings. I made this size for ornaments and this size to add treats. If you wanted to have a holiday craft party, this would be great to make beforehand and have your guests decorate them. First, I made a magic circle. To do this, wrap the end of the yarn over your fingers twice to form an X. Bring your hook under the first strand and pull the second strand through it. Yarn over and pull it through the loop created. For round 1, make 6 single crochets. To make a single crochet, go through the circle, yarn over, and pull it through the circle. Yarn over again, and pull it through both loops. That's 1. Go through the circle, yarn over, pull it through the circle, yarn over again, and pull it through both loops. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull the end of the yarn to tighten the circle. For round 2, make 2 single crochets in each stitch. Go through the first stitch of the previous round, which should have 2 loops. Yarn over, and pull it through the 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull it through both loops. That's 1. Go through the same stitch and make another single crochet. That's 2. Repeat this with the rest of the round. In the second stitch, 3, 4. In the third stitch, 5, 6. In the fourth stitch, 7, 8. In the fifth stitch, 9, 10. In the sixth stitch, 11, 12. You should end up with 12 single crochets. For the next 4 rounds, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It'll start to curve. You should have 12 single crochets in each round. Using a tapestry needle, weave the end a few times and cut the extra yarn. Then chain 1, turn it around, skip the first stitch and make 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Again, chain 1, turn it around, skip the first stitch and make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Chain 1, turn it around, skip the first stitch, and make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then chain 1, turn it around, skip the first stitch, and make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. For this side, I used these 4 holes. I made a single crochet decrease. To do this, go through the stitch, yarn over, and pull it through the stitch. Then go through the next stitch, yarn over, and pull it through the stitch. Yarn over and pull it through the 3 loops. Then make another single crochet decrease. Then make a single crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this side, I used these 4 holes to make 2 single crochet decrease. That's 1, and that's 2. Then make a single crochet to complete the round. For the rest of the rounds, continue making single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At the end, go through the next stitch, yarn over with white yarn, and pull it through the stitch and loop, which is a slip stitch. Make 1 chain stitch and continue making single crochets for 2 rounds. At the end, make a slip stitch. Go through the stitch, yarn over, and pull it through all loops. To form a loop, I made 10 chain stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then go through the bottom and make a slip stitch. Followed by 1 chain stitch. Then pull the end of the yarn through the loop. With a tapestry needle, weave the end a few times back and forth and cut the extra yarn. I also made crocheted stockings using macrame cord. Since the cord was thicker, I used a bigger crochet hook. The steps were the same. I just added one more round and made 8 chain stitches for my loop instead of 10. And here's how they turned out.